First, we import the head component from NextJS, which allows us to modify the HTML head section for the page where this layout will be used. Next, we import the Tailwind CSS framework so that we can use its utility classes to quickly style our components. We're creating a functional component named Home, which will be our page component showcasing the responsive layout. We start our layout with a div element that serves as a container. Using Tailwind's container class centers the content and gives it a max width based on the screen size. The MX-Auto utility centers the container horizontally, while PX4 adds horizontal padding. Inside the head component, we set the page title to responsive layout with Tailwind CSS in NextJS and link a favicon for branding purposes. Our main content area is structured as a flex container. By default, it uses a column layout with FlexCall to stack items vertically on mobile devices. On medium-sized devices and above, MD, Flex Row switches the layout to horizontal. The side navigation is created within an aside element. The W-Full class makes it take up the full width on mobile. At the medium breakpoint, MD, W1/4 makes it occupy a quarter of the available width. Padding is applied with P4, and BG Blue 200 sets a light blue background color. Inside the aside, we have a nav element where navigation links or menu items will be placed. Next to the navigation, we have a section element that takes up the remaining width of the flex container, thanks to FLEX1. It also has padding on all sides with P4. Inside the section, we first have a header element meant for the page heading or introductory content, spaced with a margin at the bottom using MB4. Following the header, an article element is used for the main content of the page, which could include text, images, and other multimedia. It also has a MB4 margin at the bottom. Lastly, a footer element is added for any additional information or links at the bottom of the section. We close the section, main container, and the div wrapper, completing the structure of our responsive layout. By using Tailwind's utility-first CSS classes, we've created a flexible layout that adapts to various screen sizes using a mobile-first approach.